Hey guys, it's Tori from Monogram Moments. Today I'm going to show you how to print and cut using paper for darks. Today I'm going to be using World of Paper's blue line. I got it from eBay. So I'm going to pull in the designs that I want to use. These are both from my website, and I also have another tutorial where I show you how to take this square background and manipulate it to make it a circle and to do some other cool things. I'm going to add my text and fill it and change the line color. And the font, I got this font from dafont.com. Okay, there we go. I am going to use a square background though because I want it to be easy to cut around since I'm going to be doing it by hand. If you did not want to use a square background, or if you didn't want to do it by hand, you could easily do the print and cut with your Cricut or Silhouette machine, but I'm just going to keep it as easy as possible, cut around myself. The reason you have to cut around exactly around the design is because the back of transfer paper for darks is white. That's why you're able to use it on dark colored fabric. So if you don't cut off all of the white around it, you're going to see that whenever you press it. Okay, so from here, I'm going to go to my page setup, and I'm going to make sure that my show print border is on. If you were going to print on a larger piece of paper, my printer only prints 8.5 by 11, so it's automatically set. You can go over here, select none, and then you can change the size as you need to for your printer. Okay, before I print, I am going to make sure that this is the size that I want it to be on my shirt, 6.7 inches by 6.7. If not, I'll size it as needed. And you'll also notice that I'm not going to flip my design horizontally like I would if I were using Jet Pro SS or paper for lights. Okay, so I'm ready to print, so I'm going to go to File, Print. Going to keep all these settings the same. I am going to keep my quality standard because they don't want you to oversaturate the ink whenever you print it on transfer paper for darks. And now I'm just going to print. Alright guys, so I've got my design printed. I'm going to cut with scissors around the edge of this border. If I leave any white around the edge, you will see that white on the shirt. The reason being, paper for darks is white. They do that so you can see the color whenever you put it on a shirt, whereas paper for lights is see-through because your color will be able to show up better behind a lighter shirt. So be sure you cut around exactly. Okay, I've got this cut. Now I've got to peel my design off from the backing. This part is a little tricky. I like to use my fingernail to kind of scrape the edge right there. It makes it come loose. And then once you can grab it, peel it off. So after you peel it off, it's ready to press on there. Just be sure that you don't get it too close to the heat press before you press it on there, or else the design will start acting a little funky around the heat. Okay, so I'm going to take my shirt and I'm going to press it just for 5 seconds to get out any moisture. Then I'm going to lay my design where I want it. And I'm going to put a piece of parchment paper on top of my design. So my heat press is set to 350 degrees. I'm only going to press it for 15 seconds. And there you go. Alright guys, thanks for watching.